we don't want to really turn into starboard because that's going to cause a conflict right here. What's going on, guys? Captain Harley here from How To Boating. We are going to go over rule number 8, action to avoid collision. That's going to be our navigation rules and regulations handbook. So say we have these two vessels here, we'll line them up like this. We know this is the stand-on vessel because it's on the starboard side. We know this is the giveaway vessel. So there's 3 things that this vessel can do. It can slacken its speed, meaning slow down. It could turn to the starboard. Okay, we don't want to turn to the port because that will cause some trouble in the future. We want to turn to starboard, or we could slacken the speed and turn to starboard to avoid that collision. Now, what happens if we have another vessel right here? We don't want to really turn into starboard because that's going to cause a conflict right here. So the best thing we could do is just slacken your speed. And obviously, well, also, not obviously, this vessel is bigger than the other two. But some of you may be thinking, oh, Mike has right because this is the bigger vessel. Actually, that is not the case. There is nowhere in the rules and regulations handbook saying that the larger vessel has right of way. So here in this circumstance, this vessel needs to just slow down and wait for these guys to pass.